Brent Cartwright with the Keleher team. Welcome to 35 Kayla Crescent in Georgian Meadows. Come on in and have a tour. Enter the home and you walk into a great room, open kitchen, living, and dining area. Walk out to a great backyard that backs onto the Georgian Trail. Upstairs offers 5 bedrooms. One of the extra bedrooms upstairs offers escarpment views. A master ensuite with a very spacious and luxurious 5-piece. This 2,800 square foot home with a much larger inside feel has so much to offer. Great family neighborhood with lots of parks. Walk out your front door, step on the trail, minutes to downtown Collingwood. Looking forward to giving you a personal tour.